Dear students, we will try to learn the concept of the emergence of social media, how social media emerged in the world and how it affected the world and how it changed the world. Social media is a form of mass communication on the internet, such as the websites for social networking and microblogging, through which users share information, ideas, personal messages, and other content such as videos. The first companies to create social networks based on web technology were classmates.com and 6degrees.com. Classmates.com, founded in 1995, used an aggressive pop-up advertising campaign to draw web servers to its site. It based its social network on the existing connection between members of high school and college graduating classes, armed service branches, and workplaces. The other was 6degrees.com. It was the first true social networking site. It was launched in 1997 with the most of the features that would come to characterize such sites. Members could create profiles for themselves, maintain lists of friends, and contact one another through the site's private messaging system. 6degrees.com claimed to have attracted more than 3 million users by 2000, but it failed to translate those numbers into revenue and collapsed. यानी आज हम जो सोशल मीडिया यूज़ करते हैं, जिस तरह फेसबुक, ट्विटर, व्हाट्सएप, उससे पहले का जो सफ़र है वो यहाँ से शुरू होता है कि उससे पहले जो अब ख़त्म हो गई थी classmates.com और फिर 6degrees.com, तो बड़ी सोशल नेटवर्किंग वेबसाइट्स थी जिनसे ये सारा सफ़र शुरू हुआ. Nevertheless, social media sites became popular in the early 21st century. Social network sites as Friendster and MySpace emerged that allowed family members, friends, and colleagues to connect online. यानी जब पहले वाली दो जब ख़त्म हुई तो उसके बाद दो दूसरी वेबसाइट्स, सोशल नेटवर्किंग वेबसाइट्स आई, फ्रेंडस्टर्स and MySpace. Those two websites were eventually ousted by Facebook. Facebook से पहले वो दोनों थी और Facebook के आने के बाद वो दोनों ख़त्म हो गई. Facebook became one of the world's most popular social media sites with billions of users worldwide. Other forms of social media emerged for the sharing of specific types of content. For example, YouTube allows users to share videos. LinkedIn emphasizes a user's professional connections, where users create pages similar to the structure of the resumes. How does social media work? Every social media platform works differently and has its own unique set of features. However, there are a few commonalities. For example, profile. Most social media platforms ask users to create their personal profiles or a business profile where they can upload a profile photo. Sharing content. Each social media user has the ability to share content from their personal profile, but the type of content varies from platform to platform. For example, on X and Facebook, you can share text, photos, short videos, and more. And there are certain social networking websites having direct messaging, a private form of communication between users on social media platforms, while some social media platforms have direct messaging as the main feature, like WhatsApp or WeChat. Others have it an additional feature, for example, Instagram direct messages or Facebook's Messenger. यानी ये वो जो डायरेक्ट मैसेजिंग है, जो पब्लिक के लिए, आम लोगों के लिए नहीं है, 1 to 1 है. आपने अपने किसी फैमिली मेम्बर से या किसी दोस्त से रब्ता करना है तो आप फेसबुक के मैसेंजर के ज़रिए कर सकते हैं. ये मैसेज किसी दूसरे को नज़र नहीं आएगा. व्हाट्सएप के ज़रिए कर सकते हैं। इसी तरह से फिर एक एल्गोरिथम का एक कॉन्सेप्ट सामने आया कि ऑल सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स यूज algorithm to determine which content to display to users and in what order. Most algorithms are designed to deliver the content a user is most likely to engage with based on previous content they have interacted with. ये algorithm फिर ये ऐसा करता है कि फिर वो आपकी मिजाज और आपकी ख्वाहिश और प्रेफरेंस के मुताबिक खुद ब खुद आपको कंटेंट प्रोवाइड करता है। और थोड़ा सा डेटा हम देख लेते हैं कि हाउ मैनी पीपल यूज सोशल मीडिया एज इन द मंथ ऑफ अक्टूबर 2024 फेसबुक यूजर्स आर 3.05 बिलियंस, यूट्यूब यूजर्स आर 2.49 बिलियंस, WhatsApp users are 2.78 billions, Instagram users are 2.04 billions, and WeChat users are 1.26 billion, and TikTok users are 1 billion approximately. Dear students, I wish you all the best.